Hello, I'm Chris Hamilton, Managing Director of Rega Ventilation. In this short video, I'll be offering my top tips on how MVHR can benefit your project. The main benefit of MVHR is the ability to ventilate the property while retaining the heat from the stale air. The system extracts air from the wet areas, removing the heat from this air and using it to warm fresh air from outside, which is then supplied to all the living areas. This allows the air within the property to be completely replaced while keeping the majority of the heat and energy within the home. MVHR also offers specific control over the ventilation rates of the property, using two independent fans with fully variable speed control to balance the air change rate based on the specific requirements of your home. This means there's no risk of underventilation, leading to problems with reduced air quality, condensation and mould growth, or overventilation, leading to excessive heating bills and energy consumption. On top of the energy-saving benefits, an MVHR system can also lead to a healthier home environment by ensuring high levels of indoor air quality and regulated humidity levels. The system can also be fitted with filters to ensure the fresh air entering the property is free of pollutants and fine dust particles, which can be a problem for allergy sufferers or individuals with respiratory problems. Using an MVHR system also means there's no requirement to have trickle vents fitted into the windows or extraction fans fitted into the bathrooms or other wet areas in the properties. And this can help to prevent drafts from entering the property and also remove some of the noise issues associated with traditional ventilation systems. Thanks for listening, and please feel free to get in touch with Rega Ventilation for any assistance you might need with your project, and we'd be more than happy to help.